Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Mohammed bought 6 kg 339 grams of mangoes, 8 kg 282 grams of guavas, and 3 kg 332 grams of pears. The total weight of fruits bought by him is dash kgs dash grams. So, in order to calculate this, we'll have to add to calculate total weight of fruits. We'll have to we add weights of each fruit. So mangoes plus guavas plus pears. Mangoes plus guavas plus pears will be our answer. So how to add that? We'll add kgs to kgs and grams to grams. So 6 kgs 339 grams plus 8 kgs 282 grams plus 3 kg 332 gram. This is mangoes, this is guavas, this is pears, and this is total. So let's first add grams together. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13. So 3 here, 1 carried, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So we have again 1 carried. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9. We have 953 grams over here, and in kgs we have 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 6 11 plus 6 is 17 kgs. And since the count of grams, that is measure of grams, did not exceed 1000, we need not convert anything here. So total weight will be equal to 17 kg 953 grams. So this is the answer.